Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. If you have something like this thing right here, a paper shredder, and working great for you, gets a little bit of age on it, and then the sensor goes out, or at least it seems like it goes out. So what you do is you run some paper through it to clear it out. If that doesn't work, then you look around, can't see anything wrong with it. So what do? Get another paper shredder, right? No. What I did was I started taking mine apart. Then I looked inside, I saw no paper stuck anywhere, and I noticed this thing right here. This little sensor. It's like a garage door sensor. It has some sort of infrared beam. When that beam breaks, then it turns on the shredder and things go through. So I said, let me clean it. So I took some rubbing alcohol, Q-tip, took the sensors out, cleaned them, let them dry. It's rubbing alcohol, doesn't take long, maybe a minute at most to dry. Put it back in and works great. So if you ever have a paper shredder that doesn't behave, try that. That might be it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.